Hey guys, today we have another unboxing from lookfantastic.com or lookfantastic.sg. So it's a February box, that's why it's a red box. So this is the box and it says Look Fantastic on the top. And the box says Miracle, doing something with soul, creativity or love. And of course, it comes with an Elle magazine. This is the February edition. The new season, Be Bold, Dress Up. So this comes with every box, and I got the December box the last time. So today is the February magazine. Okay, so let's dive into the tissue paper. Okay, oh, it comes with a pamphlet, same as last time. But this time, it tells you what's inside the box, how to use it, and tips to use it. So this is definitely very useful, and I'm gonna read through this later on. So the box, let's just pick out the first thing, the yellow thing. This is from Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm, and this is 10 milliliters. It's a multi-purpose soothing balm, so you can use it for your lips, skin, cuticles, or wherever you decide to. Fragrance free. I've heard of Dr. Pawpaw, and I think this is a deluxe travel size. Like, they actually sell this on their website. I'm really excited to try this out because I've heard so much about this brand, but I don't know where to purchase it in Singapore. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, I think this is a makeup product. This is from the brand Pierre, and I've heard so much about Pierre in like Ipsy bags and boxy charms, but obviously we don't get those boxes here, so I've never been able to try out this brand. And it says that it's the shimmer roll. It says body face, so you can use it on both places, and it's 2 grams. This thing should last me for quite a long time. This is in the shade Champagne. It's a shimmer roll. Oh my god, it's powder. This is such a good way to make sure that the powder doesn't go everywhere. So instead of it being in a pot, you can just roll it onto your eyelids. This is good. I would definitely use this. Oh. You can use it for your eyes or as a body shimmer powder. I definitely want to try using this as a highlight. So the next thing in the box, this is quite a good size. This is 15 ml and it's from the brand Elemis. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. So it's a day moisturizer. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. Let's smell it. Oh, it's silk. Oh, wow. Wow, this smells really good. And it's soaked into the skin pretty fast. So I'm pretty excited to use this. Next thing in the box is also a pretty good size. This is a mask, and I love mask. It's the Meso mask, and it's Soothing Radiance mask from the brand Filorga. This is 15 ml. So I'm guessing you can get maybe 2 uses out of this. Okay, so you can apply a generous amount to your face, neck, leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, and then remove using a damp cotton wool pad. But they also gave a tip that some people like to leave it on for the whole night, like an overnight mask. I think I'm definitely gonna try the overnight mask method. It also smells really good. So next thing in the box, this is from the brand Caudalie, and I've been wanting to try this brand, but I don't know where to buy it once again. I think actually maybe I can get this from Sephora. This is Caudalie SOS SOS Thirst Quenching Serum, 10 milliliters for dehydrated skin. Awesome. It's very lightweight consistency. I expected it to be thicker. I feel that this Caudalie product and these 2 products, they all smell like a spa place. Okay, so there's one last thing in the box. This is really cute packaging. It's from the brand Trifle Cosmetics, and it's the Sugar Pear Lip Scrub Exfoliant. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like a pie or a cake. It smells really good, and it says 100% cruelty free, which is super great. Wow, this smells really amazing. It really smells very delicious, and it's very scrubby, so you can use it maybe once a week for a good scrub. So now we're gonna see if it's actually worth the value of the box. I've already gone online to search up all the prices. So the box itself costs SGD $27.50, and I realized that this month it did not come with a coupon code. So the first item, Filorga Meso Mask. 50 ml is $73.50, which you can purchase on LOOKFANTASTIC. So I just divided it by per ml. 15 ml is $22.05. It's really expensive. Pawpaw, you can buy this size 10 ml from the website. This is $7.50, and I think this tube can last you for a while. And Caudalie 30 ml is $53.50, so 10 ml is $17.90. And for the Elemis, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, 50 ml is 146.50. So 15 ml, this thing is $43.95. Wow, I'm gonna use that. So that's why it's good for a subscription box, because I would never have tried out that brand otherwise. So for Trifle, you can buy this off the Trifle official website because I could not find it on LOOKFANTASTIC. This size 10 ml is $17.95. And then for Pierre, also buying it off the website, the price on their website, 2.35 gram, is $15. This is 2 grams, so just a small little difference. So this is $12.80. The total value is $122.15. That's like almost $100 more than what you pay for. And the things that I'm most excited about is Caudalie and Pierre, because I've been wanting to try out these two brands, and I'm also pretty excited to try out Trifle because this smells really good. We really don't have a lot of subscription choices in Singapore, so to get this box at $27.50, all in all, I think it's a good deal, and the amount of the value of the items that you get is way more than what you're actually paying for, and you also get to try out a lot of brands. So I definitely think that today's box is worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this was useful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!